everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are headed out to the drag strip finally. I just looked a while ago, the DA was 3,100. I'm hoping it drops. I'd like to see 2,300 tonight. I know that's still high, but at the same time, considering it's 3,100 right now, I would take 2,300 tonight. But anyway, we are headed out to the drag strip. As you can see, if you can't, I don't know, the wife is right behind me. I've got her on the Race Stars with the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, and I've got this car on the drag setup. So we are headed out there. We're going to find out what the 19 will do tonight, and we're going to see what the GT500 is going to do. Like I said, the DA is high. I'm not looking to run my best time. I have done some modifications. I don't know how much they're going to help, but with a DA as high as it is, if I get close to my best time that I ran, I think it was like 1,1600 DA last time we was out there. If I get close to that, then we'll know the mods are pretty much working, but we will see. However, right now we're gonna get some gas and head that way, so we'll see you there. Philip, what are you doing?
Sweating my balls off.
It's hot out here, man.
It's hotter than a hoochie coochie. That one ain't even tight.
All right, guys, we made it out here. We got Philip, finally. Yeah, finally. Philip. We got the GT500. And then we've got the wife's car out here. So I'm interested in what this thing's gonna run tonight. And look who it is, guys. Chris, you got the 500 here? You gonna run it? You gonna run it?
Heck no.
You gonna run it?
No, I'm saving it.
You're saving it?
That's the guy that won't buy the blower.
Nobody knows what I'm doing.
We got Jesse out here. Jesse, what have you been up to, man?
Not a lot.
We got Toby back out here. If you remember the video with the Camaro, the turbo Camaro, Toby, you're gonna put 15 pounds in it tonight, right?
18. Going up to 18.
Now I'm gonna hold you to that.
No, it's been on 18 before, but not tonight.
So the previous owner, me and you was talking about this off camera last time. The previous owner, how fast has it been with him in it?
He's won a 583.
583.
I don't know. He'd run it up. He'd run as much as 18 pounds of boost.
Okay. So we're gonna run 15 tonight, right? Leave on 12, ramp into 13, then bump it into 15.
No more than 16.
No more than 16. I like that. I like that. And then we got Caleb here. He did not bring his Fox. He's fired. You're fired. It's not broke. Don't play that game.
It's not broke, but it's broke.
And we've got the Fox body. So how you liking it?
I like it.
You do? Good deal. All right, so we got Philip. Philip's actually doing something for me for once. That's amazing.
Working hard.
16. Philip's a good man. I don't care what anybody says.
Hey man, I don't give a shit.
I like that hat, Philip.
You don't like our tire gauge? It's still a 20, man. Was it not working right or something? Hold up. I got. Hey, baby, got me a key. What if I just slipped and just messed up all your pretty chrome on this thing?
It's polished aluminum. You'll be all right. You just have to spend a day polishing it back. All right, guys, we're gonna probably run the wife's car first. We ain't been long since we got here, so I'm letting this thing cool down. Probably run it first and see what it will do. I'm hoping 7s tonight, but the DA is still around 2,700, almost 2,800. So I don't know.
I want to be on video. Put them on video.
You want to be on video?
Lightweight bands, they real fast.
You got real. Hey man, dude, you're faster than me, because they're gonna guarantee I ain't running nowhere. I ain't running nowhere.
3 hours later.
All right, so we got the tire pressure adjusting this. Hey, I gotta adjust the tire pressure on the wife's car. Do what? If you want to.
Pretty angles of you.
There you go. Look at that pretty angle. You ain't gonna get no pretty angles with me, I promise.
That's a beautiful angle.
For the car.
Why did it go black? I didn't touch nothing, bro.
Just.
Oh, okay.
It just the back screen is shut down after so long.
Cool.
Now he's film him filming us.
Oh. Hello, how are you?
Hey, what's
going on, big
What's
guy?
up,
I
brother?
seen you a while ago. I was
Didn't
gonna
get him.
holler at you, and then you and Josh disappeared.
Oh, what up, man?
What you been up to?
What's going on? Oh, not much. Working good? Yeah, doing good. Where's the jigster at?
You running it tonight?
Yeah, I just did my first pass.
What did it run?
Ever on 2. Horrible. I'm not even saying he's got a camera on me.
2 cameras.
It was horrible.
I hear that,
Room for
man.
improvement for sure.
Is it your first time running
I
it?
turned mine out.
Hell, you gotta learn it, man.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're getting ready to make our first pass out in this car. I'm using a helmet mount. Let me know how you guys like it. I'm gonna try to speak up so you can actually hear me. It is packed out here tonight, so I don't know how many runs we're gonna get tonight. All right, now we're gonna flip it over in drag strip mode. Alrighty, well, it ran 89 mile an hour, so it's got the mile an hour. It ran an 833 with a 2160. All right, guys, so we're gonna run this thing again. I'm not sure exactly what happened. This thing's got 355 gears. You know, at 2160, it should have pulled a 191860 no problem. I wouldn't think the torque management or anything's holding me back, but I've seen crazier things. I mean, my stock 17 6R80 car, 355 gear California Special, ran 833 bone stock. So, you know, these cars are supposed to be faster, so it just felt like it's real lazy out of the hole. So I don't know. So we got a guy in a 1314 modified GT that wants to run me, so we're gonna play with him. All right, guys, I don't know if this is what happened. I noticed in track mode it turns traction control off. When I put it in drag strip mode, the traction control light where it says off goes back off. So I don't know if maybe if it spun for just a second and then it pulled back throttle. That could very well make sense. So what we done is I got it in drag mode. And I held the button until the advanced track turned off. So I'm hoping that was the issue, because the mile per hour is good for a 7.9, 7.8. And for the DA like it is tonight, that would be great. So we're hoping that that's the issue, and that's what I'm hoping for, guys. We're running this. It is he's got some mods done to it. That wasn't it, guys. It is like I'm leaving out of the hole with a quarter throttle. All right, guys, so 841 and 89 with a 2160. It's like it's not giving me full throttle out of the hole. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. If any of you guys know, please let me know. All right, guys. Since the wife's car is wanting to aggravate the crap out of me, I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna run this car. And hopefully, the DA is high, guys. I mean, the DA is horrible right now. I think 2600, which I said earlier if it was 25, I'd be all right, which it might be close to that, but I'm hoping for a 740 in this DA is what I'm hoping for. So my IAT is IAT2 is 113, ECT is 171, but we're gonna shut her down. We ain't gonna let her heat up. I still have got to run a wire in here to trip the relay for the intercooler pump and fans. So when I'm sitting here, or of course they're on right now, but when I'm sitting in the pits, I can turn it on and off and stuff like that. And as you can see, the film crew is here filming. So hopefully I get a run in real quick before they film. Alright guys, here we go. We're going running, I guess, an 800 horsepower ZR1. I don't think it's going to go well for me, but we're going to try it. Man, this car come out good. The clutch, everything felt really good. All right, guys, we ran a 737 with a 164/60 at 96 mile an hour. Reaction time with the 563 and 500 is perfect, so we're getting there. But that's actually pretty good. I just checked, it was 2,550 DA. The last time I ran the 720, it was in 1,400 DA, so the mods are helping out. Just wish we can get a little better air, but you know, what can you do with that? Philip. What happened?
Well, pulled up to the stage lane, did a burnout. They told us to pull back, and I went to a second burnout. Tire didn't even spin, but it was. I see smoke, so the
yeah.
clutch is
Well,
done.
the first burnout was probably plenty. You probably shouldn't have done the second one. That's probably why you didn't want to spin. But anyway.
Oh, you sitting up there watching?
But that's still a stock clutch.
Yeah, yeah. Were you up there watching?
No, I wasn't.
No, you weren't.
No.
You can just see it come.
I just made
smoke.
passing my car, so. But man, I mean, how many 6,000 RPM dumps has that
But
thing
let's
held?
take a minute though. Let's take a minute to stare at it.
She does look good.
It does
don't
look
she?
good, yeah.
We're just gonna put another clutch in and run again.
Back in debt we go. Even further.
Let it cool down.
Yeah,
I mean, I've seen them get like that, and you let them cool down, and then they're back. I've seen that, but
we
if
did it before. Remember, it happened.
Yeah, yeah, it has
before, and
happened
we cooled
before.
down, and
yeah,
she was fine, but she didn't like it though.
Oh yeah.
I mean, like earlier, the first pass I made, missed her, but it slipped so bad that I just, you know, it is what it is. It's okay.
It'll be all
It
right.
just means I'm doing something right.
It'll be all right. You're still on stock clutch. It's time to upgrade.
Yep.
All right, guys, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna leave in a different mode, try something different. I don't know. It's puzzling me. It's puzzling. It did the same thing. Maybe I need to torque it up. I'm trying different things, guys. I'm trying to figure out what it likes, what it don't like, and we'll get it figured out. It's not a big deal. All right, guys, we are out here with Mo, and he has a YouTube channel and an Instagram, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what?
Par 345.
It's just spelled a little different.
Yeah.
It's spelled M-O-E-P-A-R. So now I understand your Instagram and your YouTube channel name because Mo and Mo Park. I like that. I like that. But anyway, guys, he's got this car, and this car has been on the channel before, running down a drag strip. Now, what all is done to this car?
Got long tube headers. It's catless, straight piped all the way back, 390 rear end. It's got an Nitrous Express wet kit, running 100 shot. It's got a Hemi Fever tune, and the interior's taken out.
And what's the best? What did it run tonight?
Tonight it ran 752.
752. What's your best time in it?
751.
751's your best. So
Yeah, it's right there. With
not
this
too bad.
Air, with this
Not-
air, it's pretty decent.
Yeah, but nitrous, that's one thing about it, guys, with nitrous, is when you get the DA changes, nitrous is a lot more forgiving in DA changes than a supercharged or an NA car. The fact that my car went 730s tonight in this air,
It's great.
yeah, because I went 720s in a lot better air 3 weeks ago. But anyway, guys, this car is absolutely, look at it. What's not to like? So what kind of tires you got on the back?
The Dynoed's NT05s.
NT05, they do good?
Yeah, they do pretty good.
Do they? Okay.
Best 6 foot was a 162.
162?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, this thing looks very, I mean, look, if it wasn't for the solenoid sitting right there, you would not suspect a thing with this car. Stock airbox. And guys, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you, keeping the heat out is the most important thing. Unless you're running forced induction and you need that airflow, the stock box is the way to go, in my opinion.
Yeah, just pull the filter.
Just pull the filter out of it. Yeah, there you go. I always say if you're NA, something like that, the stock airbox with a good filter or something like that works great.
Yeah.
Man, awesome car. And it runs absolutely great. All right, so this is the guy that ran me. What year is your car?
13.
13. He ran my wife's car. He kind of drug me down the track. He drug it down the track, I ain't gonna lie.
You had computer.
Well, I don't know what in the world's going on with that thing. Like, it's like, no, okay, let's go. But yeah, it's the mile per hour is there.
Yeah.
89, 90. What were you mile per hour in?
90.
90. So I mean,
Yeah.
they're very close. If I get out of the hole,
But my 60 foot's a lot better, so you get the 60 foot down.
yeah. What else done to your car?
I've got long tubes, 85, tuned by Wengerd. I've got resonator delete and cold air. That's it.
Yeah. See, guys, tuned by Wengerd. So I think we need to put a tune in the 19. I think we really need a tune in the 19, but it's got like under 400 miles. Yes, I'm out here running at under 400 miles, but you know what?
It's a Mustang.
They're good. I'm telling you what, I have literally taken cars off the showroom floor, took out there and just took off, and they did great.
Yeah.
Never had it. My 14 had 3 miles on it, rode off the trailer. I did the PDI on it, bought it, took it out there, did wide open throttle pulls, and that car never gave me a bit of trouble. And I know the guy who has it now has actually been on the channel very, very briefly, and it's still doing great. And I beat on that thing from day one. And they like it. They don't care.
Yeah, they like it.
But dude, your car's doing great.
Thanks.
6R80, right?
Yeah, it's got a couple more things coming to it. I'm debating on whether 373 or 14 gears right now.
Okay.
And then Cobra Jet, twin 65, I believe, or 64.
Okay.
And maybe
Some nitrous? Nitrous. I say nitrous. I say nitrous.
I just see a lot of things about it where they leak.
Yeah.
But I think it's gonna be
So stall in the picture?
maybe.
I think a stall would benefit you a lot. I really do.
I got tires and tires and wheels.
Yeah.
Yep. And then the stall for sure.
It's running great though.
Yeah.
And you got a
Doing
YouTube
good.
channel, right?
It's starting it up. But
You're
yeah,
starting it up.
starting
So
it
what's
up.
it called?
Stangalang GT.
Stangalang GT.
That's it.
Okay, so I'll put a link to both these guys' YouTube channel, Instagram, all that down in the description. Check them out. They're just now starting up, so
Bear with us.
bear with them. You know how it is when you just start up, content's got to slowly creep in, but
That's right.
I'll put all their links down in the description. All right, guys, that's going to round this night up. Had a great night. We're going to figure that 19 out, and this car is, it keeps impressing me. You know, it did great tonight in 2500 DA, high humidity, and it still ran a 730. The mod's definitely improved. I would love to get it back in the 1400 DA that we ran the 727 in to see what it would run, but you know, by the time that DA gets back, this thing's going to have even more stuff done to it, so stay tuned for that. But guys, I'm gonna get out of here. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.